Yo, Namari Bookmark. My name is Maddie. Nariako Maddie. Mal Nara Narajan. I work at ARDS with my upper here, Maylil, and this webinar today is to introduce you to some new resources that we have made about the NDIS for participants, for their families, and for service providers. I'm going to talk through these resources in the project in English, and Maylil here will speak about them in Gumatj language.
Yo, namre bookmark yako melil. Ka dolang na pero worktun. Wala kuro wichan. NDIS kuro daw la karama. Ka na kung ay dola NDIS. Yo. Dola niya na pero wangan na mirina. Dola nga na pero worktun. Nalkan yoro NDIS to. Kung ayun nunna ka nungo guruto mirina.
So this project was funded by the NDIS Quality and Safeguards Commission.
Yo. Wala kuro wichan ng ruangan niya Amerika. Dola uni wala dukorea dun. Project yako ka funding ya wala wikama NDIS to. Mariro dukar yaret yun. Kakunga nurao Yolŋu walango. Ka walango kurtumiri o marwalaro darangan. Na dola NDIS ka na kungay ka wala lango rights wala lulakrama. Unilimi rumura NDIS kala. Ka na ngay menmak. Ka leche kumay gura waktu wala. Ka nalchan yuro nawi dukar waktu nini yuro concern o ngangumrikiri bikin complaint o nanong kalaro yakamain makteri marniro lakara malango.
So this project was designed to support Yolŋu NDIS participants and their families to understand what the NDIS is, their rights in the NDIS, what good, safe services look like, and how to raise concerns or make a complaint if something isn't right. And also to help NDIS service providers work in more culturally safe and respectful ways with Yolŋu Mala, their families and communities.
Walang le dengo NDIS service providers wala yako marwalairo worktun kunga yun. Pala kuro wichan nguni Yolŋu walang kururum guru. Ka makmaktun wana kuro dukar kuro walairo kunga yun. Yolŋu families na ka walango kuro tumirina walana. Ka communities wanaka wanakuro.
So the process that we took to create this project had 3 phases. The first one was co-design, where we listened to and spoke with Yolŋu NDIS participants, families, and service providers to help understand what people found confusing, what worried them, and what they needed from the NDIS.
Yo duwala niya ni phase 1 niya ngay co-design yako. Unilimin niya gakal nango ikurangora. Nalkan yuro kung ka yun Yolŋu na wala na. ka communities na unigura ninna unilimi wala deng walay yako yu NDIS to ka kunga yun uni riri mirina wala na ka na walang warwo na gura working walang go ka na yukura yaka working.
And so we then gathered these stories, the metaphors, and the Yolŋu concepts to guide the resource development in phase 2.
Phase 2 ngoyang ni mara mana marching ni malay dao Yolŋu la walang kala bala nina nanguni bala work to na nalkan ngilamiru ngama main dia wala mar walay Yolŋu walay darangan bala koroy wichandi bala dualay na walang uni now kuruna kunga kuruna duala ni kunga ya wala work to uni wala use now ko walang ko mar walay darangan.
So we tested these resources in phase 2 with Yolŋu staff, family, our service providers, and kept on revising them and took on feedback to make sure that they are clear and useful and culturally safe.
Wala ni mara mana phase 3 mara mana wala warpat na ni daw niya. Pala nina na wala. Yolŋu walang kala. Mara mawala ni daw niya nina na bala. Birka yuna. Nalkan ngilmiruro work tun duala. Ka nalkan ngilmiruro. Tukariyaran yun. Ka lakrama. Yolŋu walang ko.
And so then in phase 3, at the end of the project, we are here today providing an induction to these resources. And we've also completed an evaluation report to understand what worked well, what was challenging, and what could be improved for future work like this.
Pala ni mara mana phase 3 niya. Pala deli na wala. Nina na. Ka birka yuna. Na dukar menmak na dukar yaj. Ka nalkan ngilmiruro kunga yun niya Yolŋu na wala na. Adole na wala work tun. Ka jurat na. Ka na malañ. Unilimi. Mariyuro wala nina yura mangi. Uni wala Yolŋu. Uni NDIS kura.
So to introduce the resources to you, the first video is about explaining what the NDIS actually is.
Kaang ni anapuriro tuwala na work tunja bijan introduction. Ka jela mi wunguli video 1 ngura bijan ngura wangagam. Na duala NDIS ja.
So this is an animated video. It goes for 13 minutes and is narrated by Maylil here in Doya language.
Ka 13 minutes ngay duala wunguli ja. Ka ngarang ni work tunja tuwala mariyuro wala Yolŋu wala nama ka ngama. Daw bala kore wichande.
It covers what the NDIS is, who the NDIS is for, what NDIS supports are meant to do, and what good service should look like for Yolŋu people.
Adwala na Yolŋu nyakam gamru jamalany. Na ko dwala NDIS ja. Yul ko ngay dwala NDIS ja. Ka na wala ro gakkal milkuma. Ka kunga yun Yolŋu na wala na. Ka na ko ngani kawana kuro. Na dwala good service ja. Mariyuro wala darangan Yolŋu yolay.
And so this video should be useful and helpful for NDIS participants and their families. and also for any Yolŋu Mala who want to know about what the NDIS is.
Atuala nje NDIS cha, atuala unguli. Anapuro wala waktu anapuro nyana kunga nulana. Ngurike walango unilmigura ninna NDIS participants ka bulu walango kurutumiri wala. Ngula yol ni yol ngo kurutumiri uninjal ni rumangitri. Na duala ngai NDIS.
The second video talks more about what can happen if things aren't going right for an NDIS participant and how they can get help or make a complaint to change things about their plan or their provider.
Kaduala second one ja NDIS unguli na nungo dukar menmak nir jaryon na nakchan migura feeling complaint bican yang ngang omrikiri ayul ko niro lakra menyangani ayul kala etola.
This animation is also narrated by Mailil in Doya language. It goes for about 8 minutes. And it covers what NDIS participant rights are, how services should treat Yolŋu, what the different types of issues are that might come up as an NDIS participant, what to do if something does go wrong, and the different ways that you can raise a concern, not only through formal NDIS complaints pathways.
Ayo tola ni tao igura bican lakra makam na walango tola yako ka participants ko na walango ja rights nalchan juro wala la dengo la services to wala nawi la kama kungayon dola yol ngalana ka polo ula uripo nani gora taka ngama obirka ni gora niro la kama ka la kama niro ni nungoro kumrudaltri ka yakani gora understand niro la kama katangang mritri dukarnya malany niro mara mangoni nunga ni ngayango amarki niro kala kama Yolŋu lango o ngurike lango kunga nirmiri lango.
And so this video, in the same way, is designed for NDIS participants and their families, as well as Yolŋu Mala who want to know about the NDIS and the complaints process.
Kadolanja video ngurike lango NDIS participants ko lango kano lango kurtumiri lango. Ka ngula Yolŋu wala oni wala numajal numero mangitri na ngai wala NDIS.
So we also have developed a provider workbook, a tool for NDIS service providers working with young participants and their families.
Ayo dola mara ma ka worktun wala ngo NDIS service providers ko ngorke wala ngo niya oni wala ngo kungayun mara wala rin bican dia na kungayun Yolŋu wala na ka wala ngo kurtumiri wala ya ko dola participants Yolŋu participants ka kurtumiri wala ngo ngorke wala ngo oni dia lami wala gora nina room NDIS ngora
So it has been designed as an icebreaker to start deeper conversations between Yolŋu participants and providers.
Wala punya nga itu wala waktu na la jura. Kuka na miri nga itu wala apulo marni yuro tarangan. Tualay wana ko ni yuro marchi. Kunga na miri nga imriteri tualay.
Also to be used as a guide to explore the participants' identity, their needs, their goals, or aspirations.
Pulo nga itu wala jura. Yolŋu walang kumarinero tarangan wana ko tukar ko ni marchero nungway ni ana nung unay ko nga nukala ngura warwo wana malaniro marchi onyenjiro mangitirinja diaki NDIS ko.
And lastly, it's been designed as a living resource that you can adapt with your clients and to their context to be used throughout the different stages of the NDIS journey.
Apolo nga ito walay jura, may makwitiri marinero kung ngay ni clients na ngay ura dwale dukar lakarama asniro marchi balakore dukar kuro NDIS dwale kawan na malaniro marchi di pungoy journey yako.
This workbook was created to help Belinda NDIS providers to engage in clear, compassionate, and culturally aware conversations with Yolŋu.
Kaduala walang ni work tun uni murikala walang uni wala nina wala tuala na birkain bala jamana yurgun gangay wala mar yur walang uni service providers NDIS service providers wala rutarangan plakoro wikian Yolŋu walang kuro room guro nalkan ngalimuro yugura nina na room do kurutumire wala ngalimrongo kangalimro.
The workbook draws on the Gunga pandanus as a guiding metaphor based on the map to represent the connections between each of the Gunga plants, their supports, and how they're woven together.
Tulanya wala jamanya wala dang kunga irumet ngay dang genta kala kramenya ngay orang ningelemrongo dia la mingelemrongo ora ne guru tungura connection yako kawan nang rongelemro kawan na malangelemro marchi pilngai dua lagun ganyang ni lechup mitri a metaphor oni nalken ngelemro kan na Yolŋu wala kalking ngelemro guru to yakabarko.
It guides NDIS providers to walk a safe, clear path to build trusting, genuine relationships with Yolŋu clients.
Ngadeng ya daw kuragun ganyo lakama. Wala na NDIS providers na marwala marchi. Rambangi kunga yun Yolŋu na wala yol kumayana bingwena. Ngangwe walang kala dawatum jiro. Marwala nguni connecting bala Yolŋu clients kala nguni gura anda nguni lemero ngwani na NDIS ngura. Marpala kura wikan na wala darangan ja. Itu la tukar Yolŋu nguni gura nina nangalemro. Wala nam years, thousands of years ngalemro nina kadwala na ngay daw niya. Wana mala Awan ang kuro-kuro to mi gura connecting yo.
The workbook activities haven't been designed as a checklist, but more as a journey to work through together between the client and the provider over multiple sessions.
Adualan jura ola waktun mariro. Waktun ramangi ya kagana ramangi na. Walang kalaw ni NDIS. Providers kala kabulo yolŋu walang kala. Uni gura ninang nilimi. Participants kala walang kala. Adualay.
Each step in this workbook includes prompts to guide discussion to cover different topics at a time that is right for the participant.
Mar dengun jatuh kari kura lakrama kunga inja. Men makmitri tukar nguriki participant ko. Mar ni yuro dualay dukar darangan nama wana kurinir marchi.
Also important to note is that while this has been designed to help providers work better within Yolŋu frameworks, it doesn't and should not replace cross-cultural competency training or hiring a Barmera, which is a Yolŋu cultural advisor or partner in work.
Tulanja wala waktun mar ni yuro darangan nguringi Yolŋu yunini participant abulo walango nguriki walango. NDIS jama mire walango nalchen wala waktun. Kakunga yun numalana. Yaka nga idu wala naunja jura marindiro ngola kureo margitiri bican ngole waktun nguni CCT yaka kurang ninja tipalay nawi. Yana kunga yun mariyuro maltun mire yana. Adna nga idukar yul nguriki participant ko.
These resources have been designed to use alongside these other forms of learning and to support as an extra tool to strengthen communication and relationships.
Adwala niya bican wala waktun yung ni mariyuro tara na unang garir nang ni nanan ngukakal deki mariyuro rambangina waktun ya kanagana. Ka kunga mire malil na. Mariyuro ni communication ka relationships ya marambangina yuro. Kunga mire malil.
And then finally, we have the emotion cards. So these are a set of 16 different cards that you can download and cut out, which can be used as a visual guide to facilitate the activities in the workbook.
Dola niya ngay kurada unyi dola na yako emotion cards. Tengo niya jura ay kuralakama 16 ngayon ngayon wungole miri wungole ngunele mimalin. Alakama niya ngay kura bicarang kam aljan ni kura dakay ngama. Warwin ni kura ngayang merikiri mulukuru ririkton roder kirikton. Tengo yi cards do dirulakaman nungo. Marinir nama palakam na bina bican ngaray kura katuran niya feeling. Tuwalay 16 nguni cards sa dialami. Emotion cards yako.
So these can be used as visual guides. You can print them out and cut them up to help facilitate the activities that are contained in the workbook.
Tuwalay malay nguni cards. Niru minmak kultun niru ngala sisisto. Kabulo ngay kunga dal ko mga yuraro dulay yurat ni marniru markiga milkuma alaka ma murikyo lango NDIS providers ko nani gura dai kai mama kanal ken ni gura feeling dulay yana nungo marniru nina gura kanama nguni ungli amarki kamilkunga tuala bikin ngaray gura katurenja feeling.
So these have been designed to facilitate cross-cultural communication, to help clients articulate their feelings.
Aduala niya malain jura Mario kunga in bala kuro wichano ni yolŋu walang kuro ngele room kuro yolŋu walang kuro room kuro ka kunga in nguni na wala na clients na mar wala rulaka na miri nalken wala kura daka ngam walang kala rumbalyo.
And to help gently prompt for more details about how the clients feel about their NDIS supports.
Ka nguni bili nguni ja bichang kunga yun kamangi kumawala na nguni na clients na nguni nga rangatil laka nalken ni kura birka yun na nang warwo ni rulakama bala kuro wichan nguni dola jura kuro cards yako emotion cards.
And lastly, to help explore the stories behind the emotions of the NDIS participants without needing to be confrontational or use formal complaints language.
Ayo dola niya nguni cards ya marnirum marki kalakrama nungwe daw murike walango kunga inamiri walango NDS support isko na ni gura daka ngama anal ken ni gura birkayun.
Cool. So now that you know what the resources are, where can you find them? These resources are free and available for download at www.ards.com.au under the resources page.
Kayo wana menir manja dola taunya dola gam www.ards.com.au o marcia bala resource pages li o ripunja no niro scanning oni QR code para niro namana downloading ya bala nangana.
Or if you're watching this on the screen, you can scan this QR code to view and download the resources on the website.
Oni bili oni niro nama niro scanning oni QR code o nama bala downloading na. Ungulin jadwal nama na niro bala koro chandi.
And if you have any questions or feedback or would like some more information about this project, you can contact us at admin.ards.com.au or give us a call at the Darwin office.
Yo nguni ni ura ngula jaltir niro daur kayun o daw mara mabolo yako information marcia di belagam admin@ards.com.au or ring map there di bela number lagam 0889844174.
Ma. Yo, thanks for listening, Bookmark. We really hope these resources are useful for you in your drama and that they go some way to helping Yolŋu and their families understand how to make the NDIS work for them.
Yo, thank you malango oni maputuri churuna oni ikuraduala work tun dukarera jun Mario nina men makumayol ngola.